Hello everybody, welcome back to the Klaus channel. Crafts, reviews, restorations. Man, we got it all here. It's all hanging out. We ain't hiding nothing, and we're proud of it. It's all sticking out. And today the video is gonna hit close to home. What's that? Crow, what are you doing over there? Yeah, I'm so broke up. Why you broke up? Stop yelling. Anyway, I'm so broke up because this video is about nothing less than my own cornfield right here. This is the video where my cornfield was created, built, made, put together, pasted, the whole 9 yards. Man, this is my home. It always gets me all emotionally worked up. My house being built. Ain't no house, it's a cornfield. Well, that's my house. I don't need no birdhouse to live in, but it's cornfield. It gives me everything I need. Food, shelter, plenty of places to play hide and seek. And guess what? You get to watch it being created. Well, with that said, you know what it's about now, thanks to that crow. So sit back and watch the creation of his cornfield. That's when the crow and me first got together. Welcoming him on the channel and having a lot of fun together. Man, me and that crow really like each other. Yeah, we sure do like each other. We go together like popping corn, salt and pepper. Can't think of nothing else. Like a cat and a dog. Man, that's enough of that. We're going to lose subscribers. I'm going to get to that joke and get these people watching the video. That's what they come here for. And here it goes. No, wait. As a dedication to your cornfield, you tell the joke. Hey, thanks. I'll be sure enough going to tell that joke. Now here it comes, everybody get ready. It's a crow special day. The creation of my cornfield, and now we'll get to tell the joke. Here it goes. I failed math so many times at school, I couldn't even count. Man, your joke's as bad as mine. I think we get them from the same person. So sit back and enjoy this show, people. Make that crow very happy if you watch it. And we'll see you next time on the Klaus reviews. No, it ain't. Not reviews. Got misdirected by the camera lady. The Klaus Crafts Reviews and Restoration channel. So we'll see you next time. Goodbye. On the Klaus Restoration Crafts and Reviews channel, we're doing craft. What is it you say? I'm going to show you how to make corn. There's going to be 6 of these corns made. They are going to be held on their base by inserting a little bit of this stick up in the bottom. The base is right here. Can't hardly see it. This is a styrofoam block glued to a wood. It's going to have this brown on top of it.
Look red.
It's going to be stuck in. That's going to be the dirt.
It looked red.
Well, it's the funky brown. That's the only brown. That's the only brown I have. So that's what I'm using. Okay, what you're going to need is construction paper. That's a lot of it. A pair of scissors, a pencil, and this is a pencil. You push this down and a pencil comes out. 0.5 lead. Marker. Stick.
Is that like blue?
and glue. But in this case, we're using fabric glue. I like it better than the Elmer's glue because it's thicker, it bonds faster, and it sticks a whole lot quicker. So what we do is we take this green construction paper, we take the corner, stick it on the stick, and then roll it. And roll this up. See there? I need to lay it on my stomach to get it rolling good. And then roll it up and keep rolling until you can't roll it in the mold. Roll it and roll it and roll it. And once you get to the end, put a little bit of glue on it of your choice, glue of your choice. Press it down, and this stuff sticks. It's not super glue, it's fabric glue, but it sticks almost immediately. And it always helps to have a second stick, just a second. Push your first stick back out to get stuck. You roll it from the corner, all the way down. You don't have leaves or anything. You need to put a little bit of glue in. Easy. And once you get the stick out, now all these papers are pre-cut. You can make this corn any size you want. So I'm not even going to mention the sizes of this paper because you can make the corn any size you want. So what we're going to do next, with sweaty arms, it's hot in here. What we're going to do next is fold the paper over. See, it's like the whole end piece of paper because of the size of my corn. Fold it over. Now my corn's got 6 leaves. Each paper will give me 2 leaves, so I've got 3 of them. Once you fold it over that way, you fold it back again this way. Let me go ahead and do the other. Go ahead and do the other 2. Go ahead and fold the other 2. And get them done. And then once they're, see how fast this goes, these are already pre-cut though. Then you get your scissors, you take the side that's open, and then you cut around to that side that's open like that. Make a circular motion like this all the way to the other end. And when you open it, there you go, voila, 2 corn leaves already. Do the other 2 the same way.
2 more leaves, 2 more, that'll make 6, that's what we need. And there we got our 6 leaves.
Now what we want to do is make our corn. I've already got 1 corn made right here. What we want to do is just go around like this, and then up like this. This corn's not going to be the same as the other one because this one's already made. Get the corn like this, and then cut it out. These are very good scissors I have, but there's one flaw, this gap. Sometimes the paper gets stuck in it. But these things are really good scissors. Cut it like this.
What are you looking at?
Your funky, freaky corn. There's the corn. Here are the leaves. Here's the top. Now we're going to make the tassel that's on the top of the corn. Fold this over once.
How many leaves do you have?
I got 6. Fold it over one more. Fold it over one more time. And once this is folded twice, you cut almost all the way down to the bottom, but not all the way, of course. Don't cut all the way down at the bottom. And once it's cut all the way down, you got your little tassely edges. You take it, and roll it up, and roll it up, and roll it up, and you make sure if it don't fit, you got to cut it some. Make sure it fits in here, and it does. So put some glue on it. Put some, and stick it in here, and it'll unravel a little bit on its own. Stick it in here and fluff around the edge, kind of get out the edges some. And, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit here. This stuff dries transparent, so you don't have to worry. It's like Elmer's glue. Dries transparent. It's fabric glue made to put on a fabric. Of course, it's gonna dry transparent. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take this. We're going to glue our corn. We're going to glue our corn onto this paper, right, not all the way in the bottom, about this far up, right here. That's mine. And we're going to take a pencil and we're going to go up about here on each side. And we're going to go up and over a pencil lead. And then we're going to go up and over a little bit bigger and right over into the corner. We'll go up and over and up. I can't see it. Up and over a little bit bigger. Go right up under the corn. Like that. Then when you get it, well, I'm not going to put the black on yet. I'm going to cut it out first. And once you get it, cut it out. Then after this, we'll be ready to glue everything together. It's easier to edge the black on this thing when it's already whatever, it's already cut. Around like so. I made the other one already. And once that's done, I forgot to mention, you can also, if you want to cut the strips good, you can use a, this is a rotary cutter. You can use a paper cutter, or you can just use a ruler to get it the way you want it. So when you're done, take your marker, go around these edges. See, I've got a craft table, so I don't care if I get ink on it. But if you don't got a craft table, you want to put a piece of paper under this or something.
Just want to make sure this is the only part, this corn here part is the only one that you want to go over like this to accent the corn. The other one, other parts of the corn, you don't need to do that. And also go around the corn also. Now I'm making this cornfield because I have a crow coming.
Making this corn for a reason. There's a crow coming in. So once you get everything outlined, you make little M's like this, and make sure that your little M's all connect, because these are the kernels of the corn.
How many corn do you have? You got 2 corns per stalk. Hey, I'll make 1 more corn and here's my duck corn.
There's the other corn. And now we're getting ready to glue everything together. So put glue at the bottom of these. Don't put it too far up. And the first corn, the first stalk, you want it to go above the tassel. Like that. And then crease it in the back all the way around and lean it over like that. It don't gotta be perfect. Nature is not perfect. Nature is not perfect when it's making corn.
Look at the ring.
Okay, one of them. Okay, now we get 2 more leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on all 4 of them. Just want to dry that fast.
That's got on 2 corns. And make sure if these are facing this way, face the other one that way. That to the opposite side. And hold it on, bend it over. Like I said, this glue sticks pretty fast. Get another one. You still want to let this glue cure for a little bit before you start rubbing it up. If you use this kind, use Elmer's, you want to let it take a little bit longer drying time than that. Put another one on this side, just like in one place. This side. Mess with it so you can get it folded over. Turn it around. Put it in place and fold it over.
After you get that done, put a little bit of glue on this side of your corn and a little bit of glue on this side of your corn. Even though both sides may not actually be sticking, they may or may not. Stick it down in here, hold both pieces, kind of bend it back a little so you can see it. You put the corn on.
Now it's the yellow.
And then, just to see, there's yellow right there beside of you. And you get this one and do the same thing. You can put more than 2 corns on these, and you can even put one on the top. But I don't want 2 corns, more than 2 corns on mine. I don't want to be having these overloaded with corn. And that's it. That right there's it. The final corn. And I have 5 more of these over there. So there's 6. There's 6 corns going to be going in the styrofoam board. And my daughter just rolled this. But 6 corns is all I really need. So I may just slash the glue later if I need this. Or maybe I'll make corn out of it later, who knows. So the next step I'll be doing is I'll be taking this and putting my brown paper on it. And then I'll put, not the whole thing, I'll stick a little bit of the stick back up in here with the pointy end. And then I'll place 3 corns here, and then I put 3 corns over here, because the crow will be acting in the middle, so it won't block the back. That's what the crow will be. And so that's that for right now, and I'll leave this corn over here with the other ones, or I'll get the other ones so you can see them. Here's the other corns, and once they get stuck in here, I'll fluff the leaves back up a little bit more from the stalk. And corn always looks much better when there's a lot of it in a field. Don't you agree? And I'll see you next time on Klaus Restoration Crafts and Review Channel. Goodbye.
I like the corn.